because we're up north, and what you hear in the background is our little Honda generator. Show you about it. So here's our Honda generator. It's a little Honda EU 2000 inverter. Incredibly quiet, runs really well. It's idling, it's on the Echo. It's lighting up our whole chalet. It's good. Runs great. Runs really good. Side of the exhaust there. Here's the choke. That's our choke. See choke there. On off switch here. Pull cord. On that side there's not much. In front here there's the instrument boards.